Exfoliating a couple times a week is a really important step in any regular skincare routine. During this trial period, try to fit it in on day 2 and day 4 before your skincare routine. Facial resurfacer has been coined mini microdermabrasion, and for good reason. A little goes a very long way. I highly recommend using this on wet skin. It is not quite as abrasive that way and much easier to move around. This is actually quite a bit that I'm using on my face just so you can see it on camera. It contains volcanic ash with 70% titanium and 30% iron, which is very effective in exfoliating without being irritating. I love to use this one in the shower. It makes it so much easier to rinse off because it is very gritty. This product can also be used in various areas on your body, on your heels, elbows, knees, anywhere that you have textured skin that you'd like to smooth out. Be sure to rinse really well with water before patting your face dry. Following exfoliating, you want to continue with either your AM or PM skincare routine.